I'm Kelly from Just a Taste, and when it comes to strange food combos, I'm totally a fan. Pickles with pizza? Count me in. Cheddar cheese and strawberry jam? Yes, please. And now, milk chocolate and brie cheese. Sounds kind of crazy, but I promise just a taste of this easy cheesy panini and you'll never consider that a crazy combo again. So I'm starting off with a really fresh slice of sourdough bread that I'm gonna brush with some melted butter. I'm using unsalted butter, but salted butter would also work. I just like this because I feel like the cheese has enough kind of savory, salty flavor. So we want to get a good coating on our bread so that it gets nice and golden brown when we put it in the panini press. I'm gonna flip this piece right over like this, and we're gonna add our sliced brie cheese. And you can do this where you keep the rind on, or you can remove the rind, kind of depends which way you prefer your brie. But I'm gonna lay this into a single layer, just like this. And I've sliced these maybe about a 1/2 inch thick. You don't want it too thick that it doesn't melt very quickly. And the same goes for our chocolate. So we'll squeeze one more piece of our brie on here, and then I'm gonna add our chopped milk chocolate. And I've diced this really good quality milk chocolate into small pieces so that it melts really easily once we get into the panini maker. And you could use any type of chocolate in this recipe. I love the flavor of the milk chocolate because it's super sweet and it pairs really well with the flavor of the brie. And if chocolate chips are all you have on hand, absolutely go for it. I just feel like when something is this simple, you want to use the best quality ingredients. Okay, and then our second piece of sourdough bread goes on top, and then we're gonna brush this with butter as well. So now I have my panini maker fully heated at this point because we want to get a nice golden brown crunch. And once you place your sandwich in there, don't move it around too much because we want to get those nice grill marks. It is smelling good, time to take a peek. Oh my gosh, yes, this is the exact golden brown color we're looking for. The bread is nice and crunchy, toasty. Whew. You can see the chocolate starting to peek through, so I'm gonna get this onto my cutting board and then use a serrated knife to make sure you can cut through the bread really easily. You get that crispy sourdough bread covered with the unsalted butter, the brie, the chocolate, all of that cheesy, delicious goodness. I promise you will never consider this a strange food combo again.